What's up guys, I'm randomfrankp, and as you can see in front of me, I have the Razer Holiday Bundle for 2018. I think last year was the first time they did it, but they give you a bundled box of gaming peripherals, you don't have to buy them separately. I think it's gonna be great for, like beginners or someone out there who is just getting into PC gaming. You don't wanna spend an arm and a leg on all different stuff, you don't know what to get. They give you a bundle right here, pretty cool stuff. So figured for this video, we're just gonna dive into it, see what's inside, see how it all is. Give you my thoughts and opinions on it, because like I said, just it's a cool little thing, cool little idea for people just starting off, and not a lot of companies do this, so pretty cool stuff here from Razer. All right, so just checking it out on the front, I should probably do that real quick. I didn't even really take a look at it. We have a keyboard, a mouse pad, and a mouse, and on the back it says it's the Chroma, the Goliath Is Chroma, and the Razer Abyssus Essential Mouse. The Razer Abyssus. Mind you a business. So you're getting three things. I think last year in the 2017 bundle, last year was 2017, it was a keyboard, a mouse, and a headset, but it wasn't like Chroma and stuff. So this year, you're not getting a headset, but you are still getting some Chroma stuff, plus you get a mouse pad. So, all right, so it's all just packaged right here. First off, right up top is the Razer Goliath Is Chroma. I have showed this off on the channel before. It's just a Chroma mouse pad. Now, this is the soft texture, which is cool. I'm more of a soft texture mouse pad, like the fabric, rather than the hard glide texture. And this is pretty much like the Razer Firefly, but you don't have addressable lighting, I wanna say. It's just, the Chroma lighting around it in like the rainbow kind of wave they have going on. So I'm pretty sure it's not addressable. So it is, that's why it's more of a bundled, cheaper option here. But again, you have, a nice cloth mouse pad. But yeah, a Chroma mouse pad. We'll plug that in a minute, we'll get it all fired up. This is probably, this is just like, packaging material, the holiday bundle stuff. Yeah, don't gotta worry about that. So I assume in here, yes, we have the Razer Chroma and the Abyssus Essential. All right, so just like that, your three peripherals ready to go. Although a mouse pad isn't really a peripheral, but you get the idea. So the Chroma, I wanna say this came out either in January or a little bit over a year ago. But this is gonna be, a nice Chroma keyboard, but it's not mechanical. It's more of a membrane keyboard, obviously. So that's what I said before. It's good for beginners, people transitioning maybe from console gaming to PC gaming, or you just don't know, what to get. You're not really too big on what the gear and all that stuff is. You just want to get, an essential little bundle here like this. That's what this is all pretty good for. So you have the three. Let's plug them in and we'll check them out for you. All right, so we got it all powered on, and right away it's all going to, start glowing and shining to the Chroma colors. If you download Synapse, you can then go in and change it up and do the effects, but right out of the box, it does work. So you can see we have the Abyssus Essential here with some underglow. The logo lights up. All around the Goliath is that little light strip, so it's gonna add some glow to your desk. Kind of like a little halo out, which is pretty cool at nighttime. And then obviously the Cynosa, so we got here, go into all the colors. Going through right now as well, so all pretty cool stuff. And there's for a one-on-one in-depth look at each of these. So for the Chroma, one of the good things about this is it does have the individual backlighting, so you have the 16.8 million colors enabled in here, so you can pick one key to be one color, you can customize it, mix it all up, have different effects going through, just like the regular Razer keyboard lineup. Then behind the keys, as you can see, there's that white backplate, which can make the colors really pop and stand out. It'll make it appear like you're shining brighter. It is more of a low profile design, as you can see from the keycaps, but it's your full-size layout. It's a pretty popular keyboard, but just do keep in mind, it is membrane, it's not mechanical. And I'll do a sound test now so you can hear how they sound. Over to the Abyssus Essential. One of the reasons why I think they included this is because the mouse is ambidextrous. So whether you're lefty or righty, you're not gonna be excluded from this bundle. I do like the underglow on the mouse. It's pretty subtle, and since your palm's gonna be covering up the Razer logo as it is, it looks cool to have that glowing effect coming out from underneath the mouse. It's like back in the day when the cool cars had underglow. Shout out to Need for Speed Underground. But it is a 7200 DPI optical gaming sensor, and the left and right click plus the scroll wheel are rated for up to 10 million clicks. I would say it's definitely a bit on the smaller side, as you can see with it in my hand. I'm used to the G502, which is my daily mouse. That's definitely a little bit bigger and heavier. So this is lighter and smaller, which should be good for people with, smaller or medium-sized hands. But it's also gonna be a good mouse for on the go if you're traveling with this. Then for the Goliath Is Chroma, like I said before, it is that cloth surface. Obviously, it's USB powered, so the top left-hand side of it is where the power box is gonna be. Then you have some sort of like cable routing clips here, so you could route the cable out to the right side. And the light strip that goes around it, I did mention it before, but you cannot have the 16.8 million colors going all at once. It just fades through, so you can pick like a static color, or have it do the rainbow like breathing effect where it goes from like yellow to green to blue and fades like that. All right, so to wrap this up, here's the kicker. This is an exclusive Walmart bundle, and it retails for $95. Although you can buy this on like eBay, and I know Amazon has them as well for I think like $120. When you factor it out, the Cynosa Chroma I believe was either 60 or 50 when it first launched. Let me check. It was 60 right now on Amazon, it is 50. The Abyssus Essential is 50 retail, and the mouse pad is 40. So 60, 50, 40, if you were to add that all up and buy them separately, that's what, 150 bucks as opposed to $95. So you're saving close to 60 bucks here, which is like, enough if you do want to buy a headset or something like that on the side. But also, I mean, if you want to factor in the Amazon prices and stuff like that, this is technically 50 or 40 sometimes on sale. So it's definitely a better buy if you're gonna get it from Walmart for that $95 price point if you can find them. So that's pretty damn good. I mean, you're saving enough to buy a game, to buy a headset, to buy anything else you want for that price. So I think it's a pretty impressive bundle for under $100. But like I said, on Amazon and stuff, they're kind of around $120. Which is still cheaper than buying all three separately. So yeah, just want to do a little unboxing and first look at the 2018 Razer Holiday Bundle. Hope you enjoyed. I know not a lot of companies do this, so it's cool that I can try to get some new stuff in like that and just show off some holiday bundles and bundled items for you guys. Free things in one. And I'll drop a link down below for you guys if you want to check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.